We're at the Chococro, that St. Mark's Cafe, and I saw this popping shower, this fireworks parfait. I want to give it a go. The caramel sauce. So this is their fireworks parfait. Looks like a poppy popcorn to them, and then it has like this cotton candy like surrounding. It's kind of colorful. All right, let's go ahead and sticky too. Wow. Get it off. Get some of this caramel on there, and on the bottom there's like Frosted Flakes, crunchy vanilla ice cream with caramel sauce. The cereal makes it breakfast. Then you drizzle caramel. This is weird. It's so weird.